Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create a hash and then we're going to iterate through the keys and the values. So first of all I'm going to create a subroutine and this is going to be called my countries. Let's just increase the font size a little bit there, so that's my countries. Right, so my create it's wrong. There we go, use that sigil for the hash. So countries, and we're going to assign that to, let's say, UK. And the language there is going to be English, and we're going to do another country, France, and the language is of course French. Okay, so that's our hash, and then we're going to use for here, countries, this is our hash, and then we're going to use dot kv, key values. I'm going to do this and point it at the key, and another variable value, and then we're going to print out the keys and the values using say key and value. All we have to do is call it. It's going to be my countries. Save it and then run the program in the terminal, starting with Raku. Name of the program test.raku. Hit enter, and there you go, we've got France, French, UK, English, so we've iterated through them. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.